welcome back to the channel. And today Lucas and I were working on the old Chevy. Just took off those rockers and rods, and now we're gonna take off the next layer. So I'm gonna put you guys in time lapse and you can watch us work. So it's been 2 days since I last worked on the pickup, and now I'm just here by myself and trying to get the passenger side manifold off, but I can't get some bolts out. So here I took the head off of one bolt. So now I'm working on the pickup again, just taking off the manifold with the pry bar and snapped it. Pulled down too hard on the pry bar and popped half the manifold clean off the other half. Just ripped it right off. Now I'm gonna see if I can get the rest of the manifold to come off. So I want it to come, but it just won't pop itself free. So the reason why I am grinding on the manifold is because there were two bolts right here and right on the other side that would not come off, and we rounded the heads of the bolts off and couldn't fit any sockets on it. So now I've just been grinding them a little bit and spraying penetrating oil on them just to help loosen them up and let them pop off. So you just seen I got the other side piece off, and I'll show you what the inside of the pistons look like. So that one's still got some antifreeze in it. That, I think that's moss or mold with some rust at the bottom. We got a lot of rust down in that one with a little bit of antifreeze, and we got a lot of antifreeze and rust combined in that one. I'll show you the other side too. So that one, that was fairly clean. This side's fairly clean, but the other side, this side was dirty. We're gonna have to take those out and clean them up now. Okay, so the picket that I've been working on is actually not a 1970, it's a 1972. I just found that out. The reason was the 1970s have a whole different body style, and the 71 and 72 look similar, but they're quite different. Like the 71, the rear view mirror, it should be mounted on the windshield. On the 71, it's mounted from the roof and comes down. On the 72, it's mounted on the windshield, and this one's mounted on the windshield. So this one is a 72, but the guy that we bought it from told us it was a 70, but no big deal. We found out it's 72. So yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.